Huh? Okay, join what? Oh, let me guess. Is it Dora and Kang Yu? Yay! I guess it already. So 1 over plus cosine A over sine A. Or I change everything to sine cosine. Okay? Then after that, you notice that A, the denominator is the same. Okay? Can I? Are you all following those who never do? Okay, yesterday 407 got kids never do. They did it together with me and they were able to submit. Okay, yeah. So I'm trying to tell you, it can be done. It can be done. Okay, so don't worry. Some students cannot only do 2 questions because too hard. They do together with me. By the end of the 1 hour, they can finish. Okay. So then after yes. Don't worry. Okay, so after that, what do I see? Okay, remember your endpoint is to get to A over 2, right? So when you see 1 and cosine, what do you think of? Remember when you see a cosine and a 1 together, what do you do to the 1? Minus off, right? You want to kill off the 1, right? You want to pluck it out, right? Just like a weed. So we consider that, remember, if cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1, consider that, think about the fact that it can be cos a equals to 2 cos square a over 2 minus 1. It can be equals to 1 minus 2 sine square a over 2. It can be cos square a over 2 minus sine square a over 2. My next question is, which one do I choose to put here? I want to ask, who should I ask? Just now, who did I ask? Sean, is it? Sean, can you choose someone? Colin, huh? Colin, not control answer. Colin, which one should I choose to put in here? If I'm going to think of cancelling this one. Your backside, that one. Very good. Okay, Colin says it's the first one. Let's see if it's correct. Huh? Okay, so 1 plus 2 cos square a over 2 minus 1 over sine a. So indeed, Colin is correct. Well done. Oh, so this is the same as 2 cos square a over 2 sine a. Looking at my endpoint, which is a over 2, now I have a sine a. What should I do? Can anyone tell me? I want to ask Hanson. Hanson, have you done? You did already. Who have not done? I want to ask someone who haven't do. Who have not? Sean? Okay, Sean. What can I do? If I know that my endpoint is to get to A over 2. 2 sine A over 2. Cosine A over 2, right? Very good. And then I change. Cancel, 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 cancel. Cos A over sine A over 2 will be cotangent A over 2. That's it. Done. Okay, those who have not do, have you done your question 1 already? Joshua done question 1 already? Do now, do now, do now, do now. Yeah. Joshua, the best time to learn is now. Actually, I realized a lot of time when I don't do, I go back home. Things that took me 10 minutes in class took me 3 hours at home. Yeah. Yes. Those who have not done, have you done it already? Okay, give me some affirmation so that I know I can go on. Okay, sure. Okay, so next one, I will go to, I'll look at body language. If you're looking at screen copying, I'll wait a while. Okay, okay. Okay, Dora, okay. Next one, question 2. Now, question 2, basically requires, if you realize that those who actually went through the sweat and tears for question 2, you realize that you get stuck, right? But after that, what made you, so I show you what I did. Who actually did? Okay, let me show you the answer. Let me show you the answer.
Wait, this one, the factorization is like, it looks simple, but then it's really hard.
Yes. Okay, so this is the answer for question 2. Who got it? Well done. Yeah, testing you. Okay. Okay. Sadhana, you got it correct? You got it? You get it? Prabha, what do you use?
The 2 is 2 times sine squared plus cosine squared.
2 times sine squared plus cosine. Okay, so you use Pythagorean identity lah. Anyone use R formula?
I use Pythagorean identity, factorize then product.
Good. Okay, that's one method. Anyone use R formula? You use R formula. Wow, very good. You did it yourself or someone help you? Huh? Someone from Paul to help you, huh? Okay, okay, good. So I show you. Okay, I think those who didn't use R formula, good. Because I think that's a more typical one. I use a lazier way. Okay, so what I do is okay. So guys, when you see sin x cos x, what comes to your mind? Sine 2a. Sine 2a, okay, so this is what I do. Those who haven't do, let's do it together. First, I multiply by 2. I will get 4. Joshua, are you doing? I expect you to do together with me, okay? Okay, I expect you to do it together with me. Yeah, I want to collect. Because I want to collect. This assignment is very important.
Wait, so then the other one is half and full.
1 second. Yeah.
Oh.
So this is 3 sine 2x. Is it okay? Can I? So you see, if I take care of 3 sine 2x, right? Remember, we want to get the same triple variable. What do I want to change this to? Besides sine, there's also a, who's the husband of sine? Cosine, So, can I say that on the right, right? Cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1, right? Can I say that 2 cos square x is cos 2x plus 1? Remember NJC, we teach you from left to right. But when we test you, it's from right to left. No, understand. Understand, but it's very bad, very bad. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is this. It can be written as 4 minus cos 2x plus 1. So guys, do you feel me? Feel what I'm saying? This is a lazier way. It's a non-Pythagorean identity way. Okay, Dora is okay. Ian okay. Joshua okay. Zeka okay. Can't you supervise the 2 of them? Give them help. They need to. Huh? No lah, help him check answer lah. As in not. So 4 minus 1 will be 3. 3 minus cosine 2x minus 3 sine 2x. Oh, what do you see? I'm going to bring these 2 to the right. I will get 3 equals to cos 2x plus 3 sine 2x. Okay? So you see here, can you see that if I look at R formula, B equals to 3 and A equals to 1. You see? You see? Cannot. So I'm going to apply R formula. Now, I go to the side. R equals to square root 1 square plus 3 square, which is square root 10. Alpha tangent inverse B over A. Tangent inverse 3 over 1, which is, I think is 18.435, is it? So this will give me square root 10 cos 2x minus 18.435 equals to 3, which is cosine 2x minus 18.435 equals to 3 over square root 10. So the trick here is really by R formula. So 71. Oh, yeah, sorry. My bad. $71.565. Okay. After that, you see B, so now you find B. Now it's the second alpha. Now it's the second alpha. This alpha is for basic angle. I call it alpha 2. Okay, this is alpha 1. Cosine inverse 3 over square root 10. This is 18.435. Okay. Q, I know that cosine is positive, so I'm assured that 2x minus 71.565 is in quadrant 1 or quadrant 4. Okay, what is the range? Range is where? Now I know that x is between 0 to 360, right? Now x is between 0 to 360. 2x will be between 0 to 720. 2x minus 71.565 will be between 720 minus 71.565. Okay, and 0 minus 71.565. Okay, my Apple Pencil no battery. Wait a while. Got battery. Okay, so oh shucks. So from here, this is approximately 648.435. Okay, can I? So what's my answer then? My answer will be then, remember my answer is quadrant 1, quadrant 4. So if it's quadrant 1, it's basically alpha. It's quadrant 4, it's 360 minus alpha. But after I find the first two answers, if my range allow, I will run again. Okay, I will run around again. It's just like softball. You can run 2 home runs. I will go another round. I either add 360 or I minus 360. Okay, so quadrant 1 answer, my answer 2x minus 71.565. Don't forget this could be quadrant 1 or quadrant 4. It could be quadrant 1 plus 360, which is 378.435. It could also be quadrant 4. Okay, so here, if I add 360, no go, out of range. But there's another possibility. The fourth answer is, okay, is this one plus 360, right? The next answer is minus 360, which is negative 18.435. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the 4 answers are here. All right. I'm going very slowly because I want to keep you with me. So then after that, just add 71.565 to all 4 of them. After that, divide by 2 because there's a 2 here. Divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. Is that okay? Is that better? Are you okay? What happened to you? Your head gonna not my volleyball. Is it? Okay. Can I? So the answer will be x will be 26.6. Something 45.0, 206.6, or 225.0. Okay. Just make sure you understand the broad steps. Okay, that you are using our formula, you are solving a trigo equation. Okay, and the assignment is very important for the quiz. Is everyone following me, especially those that never do? Sean, okay? Can okay. You get the answer for question 2? Yeah. Okay. Hayden, okay. Joshua? Joshua go? Joshua go? Where are you now? No, okay. Where are you at? Okay. 4 minus. Okay, you're there, you're here. You're here, huh? Okay. Slowly. Zakai, where are you? Usually, okay. Who else never do? Xavier, where are you? Can do, There's more than one way to do. Can Hashidi, okay? Can Hey, you do? You did already. You did. Why I ask you for? Sing you can, okay? Have to look around once, twice, 3 times. Everybody, someone is not wearing school pants. It's okay. One of the end lesson. Okay. Now I go to question 3. Huh? Which one? Okay. Where are you? Are you at this step? What? Blue color part. Okay, so because you know that 2x minus 71.565 is between here and here. Okay, so this is basically, it allows you to go 1 round, 2 rounds. Okay, now quadrant 1 answer is here, quadrant 4 answer is here. Now I ask myself, can I reach quadrant 4 at another time? Either by going at 360 or minus 360. Right now. So here, if I minus 360, this is inside the range. Can you see? This is inside the range. This is also inside the range. Okay, so that's why it's possible that I can reach quadrant 1 twice, I can reach quadrant 4 twice. Okay? Can? Ready? Yeah. Okay. I'll just pause here for a while. Colin, answer on the screen. In case you want to see. Are you looking at? Okay. Colin, if let's say you cannot catch up with me, you go to YouTube channel. I think the 407 yesterday video. Okay, I go on. Okay, I go on. Question 3. Who managed to do question 3? Can do? Doable? Is it quite hard? It's hard, it's hard. It's the numbers are disgusting, but it's okay. Now remember, we train hard in peace time, we need less in war time. That's why you see assignment AFL are all very difficult, but after that you all realize that exam you all find things very easy. Now, how we do this, right? We have seen this strategy before in AFL. We have done it before. Theta is over here. I realized that theta is not really part of a right angle triangle. The only way I saw theta is being related to someone who's actually right angle is this, theta plus alpha, right? And then this is alpha. Now you agree with me, if I look at theta plus alpha here, what is theta plus alpha? What is tangent theta plus alpha? Can you see? This will be h prime plus h over x. If I look at tangent alpha, what is this? Who haven't do this question yet and you are listening to me? Everyone can do it. But the first one you can do. No one can do. I cannot. Okay. What does it? Oh, no one listening there. Go on. Okay. No. Okay. Who's listening to me? You also need human. I also need to have some affirmation. Okay. So here, how we're gonna do tangent theta is the same as tangent theta plus alpha. Actually, what are you looking at? Ready, man? Keep my iPad. Confirm not looking at assignment. Looking at some girl's photo. Huh? Huh? So now you look at this, right? I look at this as A. I look at this as B. Okay, huh? What is tangent A minus tangent B? This will be the same as, guys, pay attention. If I call this theta plus alpha, can I say that this is tangent A minus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B? Is it okay? Can now if you remember just now from the diagram, what is tangent theta plus alpha? Right? What is tangent theta plus alpha? This is h plus h prime over x. This is h over x. This is h plus h prime over x. This is h over x. Okay or not? Ah, very good. I'm testing your. Yeah. So first one is h plus h prime over x. Shut up lah. H over x. Okay. Can I? 1 plus, what is tangent theta plus alpha? H plus h prime over x. What is tangent alpha? H over x. So can you all see? What doing? Stop it! Want to steal apple? Stop it, Zizan, see properly. Never wear shorts, never wear long pants. Okay. So from here, how do I get rid of the denominator? What do I do usually? You all know my style by now. But I use minus A. This is A minus B. So it's tangent A minus tangent B. Fair enough. Yeah. So tangent A minus B, right? Tangent, you just remember, on top is a good point. Sine over cosine. Here. Can I? Tangent A minus tangent B. 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Okay? Because tangent is sine over cosine. So just remember, on top is sine. Sine will follow the minus sign. Below will change. Okay. So, guys, knowing me, what will I do next? Okay, multiply by? Multiply 1 over x. What do I do? Dora, what do I do? Huh? Multiply everything by x enough or not? Correct. I multiply everything by x squared. Okay, so I multiply by x squared. You all will notice that x squared, why do I multiply by x squared? Because here, there are two x. You always get the LCM. Once you multiply, you want to get rid of any denominator. Okay, so x squared. So you see x squared and this will give me h plus h prime x. Okay, h plus h prime x. Minus here and here, you can see it will give me hx. Below, I'll get x squared plus h bracket h plus h prime. So what do you notice in the numerator is left? Cancel. These two will cancel. Okay, they will cancel off. So you're left with h prime x. Below, you're left with x squared plus h squared plus h prime. Okay, can I? Yes. Okay. Ready? Okay. So those who didn't do, I'm slowing down for you. Will you please listen? Okay. If not, it's up to you. Okay. Come again. Listening. Are you all following? Those who didn't do, have you done it already after listening? Can I? Huh?
I didn't know it, but I think it's a big price.
Okay. Can I? Isabella, okay? Okay. Isabella, you did already. Very good. Okay. So now I go to part. Who managed to do part 2? Who managed to do part 2? 3 part 2. 3 part 2. Easy. Wow. Okay, so very simple. We look at, okay, I work backwards. Wow, you just say the same thing backwards. You just say backwards. I thought I saw it. Okay, so tangent theta, we all know earlier that tangent theta, right? Tangent theta, okay, you can see that tangent theta is basically a cotangent alpha, right? Tangent theta is x h prime over x squared plus h squared plus h prime. Now, what is cotangent alpha? Now, remember, if tangent alpha is h over x, what is cotangent alpha? X over h, very good. So you compare x over h. Okay, you compare, right? So you can see that cotangent alpha, I multiply by h prime over h prime. Why do I do that? Because I want to compare numerator and numerator. Fair? Can I compare numerator and numerator? Then you see that cotangent alpha can be written as x squared over h prime. What am I saying? Sorry. X h prime, x h prime. Okay, y'all. Whereas the right side, left side, see, it's the same. Now you compare two guys. Right? You see, hey, me and you our numerator is the same, correct? But my denominator is so big. Yours is so small. You got h prime, I also got h prime. But I got so much. So what does it say? Am I smaller or bigger than you? If my denominator is so big, I'm smaller than you. Okay, can? So yeah, can So from here, hence, so yeah, okay, hence, okay. So whatever I say, I'm just going to show it here. Question 3. Okay, backwards. Okay. Now those who need to copy, I will pause here for a while. Quickly, guys. I'm in a slight rush.
Why are you in a slight
Rush. One of the ways to learn is actually audio learner. So you notice that a lot of people who in math, they actually talk up. Like Chinese, for example, they'll read out the mathematician. So it works. This is called audio learning. I also do that. So I also does that also. Okay, I'm trying to observe all of you, whether you are copying and looking at the screen. If no one is doing it, I will go on. Shh. Don't talk so much. Why are you wearing your phone? You're listening.
Otherwise, it's gonna happen. Oh, right.
Your hair too long, go and cut. Yours also. The 4 of you no more talking. Talk so much. Okay. President? Okay. I go on. Question 4. Question 4. Question 4 part 1, I guess quite easy lah. I mean, yeah, let me just write the answer down, okay? I probably won't go through, but I think you know what to do. Just find the R. Your fx would be Is it radian or degree mode? Aha, if you did degree, you are tricked. Right? Yeah, when you see alpha here. Okay, now, so I go to for part 2. What is the maximum value of fx? And what's the largest? So you following now. Your question 4 also. Okay, can. What's the maximum value of fx and what's the largest corresponding value? Okay, so you know that fx here is very largely dependent on psi. For this to be as big as, psi must also be at is. What's the biggest value of psi? 1. Okay. So very simple. That means we need the maximum value to be 10. Okay, very good. The maximum value of fx should be 10. Happens when? It happens when corresponding means, okay, when you are 10, what am I? Okay, we correspond to each other. When fx is 10, what's psi equals to? Yes, 1. Okay, so now I just ask you, no need to, okay, when it's 1, 0, half, I don't really use BQRA, right? So I just ask you very quickly, if my sign here has a star which is equal to 1, what is my star equals to? Do not say anything. I want to ask someone who shall I ask? No, not you. Okay, Zhisan. Sign of something is 1. What's that something? 6. Okay, only one pair should do. Okay, okay. Sign of something is equals to 1. Huh? Forgot. Yes. Huh? Don't say wait. I over 2. Correct. Yes. 3, 5, 6, 5. Okay. Yes. So that means, guys, straight away, you can know that this answer will just be pi over 2. Right? Remember, sine 90 degrees is 1. Sine pi over 2. But what else do I do? Yes, because the range is up to where? It's up to 10. It's up to 10. So remember, pi over 2 is about 1.57. It's about 1.5. But if you're going up to 10, don't forget that sine is a graph that has a period of 360 degrees. That means when it is equal to pi over 2, in 2 pi or 360 radians later, all right, you will reach 1 again. What is 5 pi over 2? So what pi over 2 is like 1.57, right? What is 5 pi over 2? Can anyone tell me? The 7 point something, is it true? 7.21, okay. 7.8. 7 point? Yeah, something like that. So I think about that. Okay, 7.85. Can So 7.85, is it in the range of 1 to 10? 0 to 10. It is, right? So should I take this answer? I must take this answer. You understand? But did I use BQRA? Did I use first, second quadrant? Never. So I say again, when it's equal to 1, 0 or -1, usually I never use BQRA. I never use special angle. I use graph. Graph is easier, right? The best is to understand the graph, right? Write the graph on your hand, like hand out. Okay, Then what is x equals to? X will just be equal to 0.927 or 7.21. What's the largest x? 7.21. That is part 3. Okay, those who didn't do, I hope when you hear me, you get the same learning point. Okay, and I'll try to follow along. And two values, but they want the largest. That's why I take 7.21. Then they want the largest, which is why I only take 7.1. Okay, okay, then okay. Okay, then. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Archie, okay. Sean, okay. Done. See you okay? Understand? Susan, blah, is okay. Tyson is okay. Aiden? Okay, I can do. Can I? Okay. Pauline, okay? Can I? Okay, can. Okay. Zekai, okay? Finish already. Okay. I go on. Okay, so I ask you the next one. Is it possible to find the maximum value? Why not?
Working as sin x, when sin x approaches 0, 1 fx approaches infinity.
Yes. Yes. Understand why? Sadana? Okay. Because when it's from negative 10 to 10, right? There's a point in time where it can be close to 0. So imagine, right? If I am, say, 0.01, if you take 1 over, if you take 1 over 0.01, what is that? Super big or super small? Super big. So that's why it's not bounded. It can go up to infinity. Okay? Can I? So this is a scam question. Or it's a scam question. Basically, you cannot find. Okay, because it can be 0. It can be 0. It's not possible to find. It's not possible to find. Okay? Wow, not bad. I'm in good time. I'm so happy. Ooh. Huh? Huh? You say he's full of shit? Oh, blah blah. Oh, can't share. Okay. Okay, ready? Oh, looks like case already at question 5. Well done. Okay. Ian, okay? Joshua, catching up. Slowly, catching up. What question you had? It's okay, you take your time. You watch the video later, then you. How you? Where are you? Where are you then? Done. Zekai, finish already. Okay, I go on. I don't see anyone looking. Oh, okay. Sure. Last day of school. Must be happy. Come again? SJCC. I may bring my son home on Sunday. Let me go and see. Sunday he go for kiak. You look like, huh? You're bringing what? Huh? What do you say? You're bringing Sarah for Hari Raya? Sorry. I was joking. I apologize. Huh? Sarah. Yeah, that's all outdated. It's all being recorded, by the way. Anyway, yeah, I know Sean has many other girlfriends. Okay, so let's go on. Question 5. Okay, let me go on. Question 5. Sine 2 theta, cosine 4 theta. Okay, so I go on. So here, quiet please. Okay, so question 5. Again, I saw sine 2 theta equals to cosine. What I want to do is I want to get the same angle. Okay, so what do? I use double angle formula. Okay, now double angle formula cos 4 theta. I will change it via 2. Very good. 1 minus 2 sine square. Okay, 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta. That gives me 2 sine square 2 theta plus sine 2 theta minus 1 equals to 0. What does it look like? So guys, it looks like this. It looks like a 2x square plus x minus 1. 看得到吗? Can you see not? Can you see it? 2x square plus x minus 1. Look at this. So beautiful, right? Cannot? It's trigo by quadratic. So it's factorizable. So if I factorize it, I have 2 sine 2 theta minus 1 sine 2 theta plus 1 equals 0. since theta is between 0 and 90 degrees, 2 theta will be, wrong. So I solve this, right? I will have sine 2 theta equals to half. Here I'll have sine theta equals to -1. Does this have any solution? Why? Huh? Wait, don't keep quiet. I want to hear Sean say. No. Again, wait, don't say. Okay, Sean, try again. Now I ask you, sine of my value is -1. What's my answer? Kai-san, don't say. I just say don't say. Huh? What sine of what value is -1? Sadhana. Are you Sadhana? No. Sine of a value is -1. What's my star? Dora. No, Kai-san tell you already. Look away, I come back. So basically, right, 2 theta has to be 270, right? But it's not the range because the range here is 0 to 90. Right or not? Okay, so that's why I reject. Clear? Sadhana, Dora, 2 theta has to be 270. It's unique. So is sine 2 theta equals to half? Okay, again. Sine, what is sine inverse half? Can anyone tell me? I want to ask. I know you will know, so I don't answer. I want to ask Joshua. Sine inverse half? I asked you before, you couldn't answer, so I'm not giving an answer. Very good. Well done, Joshua. Sine inverse half is 5/6, 30 degrees. Okay, 2 theta, 30 degree, or second quadrant, right? Quadrant 1, quadrant 2. So what is theta equals to? Very good, 15 or 75. Okay, okay. This is 5 part 1. Yes. This one, which is rejected. Because only sine of 270 will be -1. Sine, right? Here, this is 270. Okay? You get -90. 90 is the principal value. But remember, we are talking about this. I mean, it can be -90 also, but it's also not the. Basically, I will just reject total. I will just not even write the answer. Okay? Yeah. So I'm looking at 270 as the smallest positive value. Okay? And okay, so part 1 all okay? Part 2. So what's the deal about part 2? Part 2 can you see is similar to part 1? Yeah. So what part 2 basically is 1 over. It's not a scam. Hey, only you are a scam. Hey. Oh, sorry. So you notice what happened is this, right? This is the same as 1 over sine x equals to 1 over cos 2x. Cross multiply. Okay. So after I cross multiply, I got this, right? Emily, what are you doing? Keep your iPad. Yeah, confiscate. Take it away from me. Take away. No, take away. Take whole thing and pass to me. No, you want to do it first. I want you to hold like that. Hold like that. Okay, hold like that. Okay, okay. Make sure Emily doesn't touch it. Okay. If Emily touch it, I touch you. Okay. So after that, that's simple. You let x be 2 theta. Sorry, let x be 2 theta, right? you basically have 2 theta to be what? Then basically you can see that it's just now you were looking at this, right? Yeah. Basically you see it as 2 theta, right? You can see if you look at the answer, they are the same equation. Then you will have x over 2 equals to theta. So from here, x over 2. This is from part 1. Then x equals to 30. Okay? Can? Yeah. No solution.
Ow!
Okay, so part 2, you just use the result. Is that okay? Yeah, I go on. I got last 2 more minutes. It's the same answer. Part 3, sketch the graph. Now, when you sketch the graph, you need to make sure a few things, guys. Listen carefully, Sketch the graph. Don't forget GHG. I got tell you before. Make sure you have the channel upper limit, lower limit. Listen, very important. So, or you can put down the coordinates 90,1. Or remember to do the limits, okay? Remember to draw the channels. Can sign? I think you can do it yourself. I don't tell you, but you need to have the limits. If I see that your graph has nothing, no intervals, I will give you 0. Okay, I will give you 0. If you just have the shape, it's not enough. Okay? Then you realize that from part 2, the solutions are 30 and 150, right? So where is cosine less than sine? It's basically where your blue is underneath the red. So you can see it's between 30 to 150, where your blue is underneath your red. Clear so far? Okay. No question, you can pass up to here. Have a great holiday. Remember to study your exam for quiz 1. Thank you, class.